Would you watch to the end if I told you? That being over 40 isn't a disadvantage in digital marketing. It's the most powerful edge you could possibly have. I know that might sound crazy if you've been feeling like the tech train left without you. Maybe you've scrolled through job postings and thought, too many acronyms, too many new tools, I'd never get hired. Or maybe it's not even about the job. Maybe it's about not wanting to feel irrelevant, not wanting to be the person who says, I'm just not good with technology. I want you to hear me clearly, that belief that you're too late. It's a myth, and today I'm going to smash it. Because in this beginner's blueprint, I'm going to give you the same plan I wish I had when I started over after 40. A plan that builds both your digital skills and your tech confidence at the same time. Stick around, because in a few minutes, I'll also show you how to get real marketing experience without waiting for a job offer. And I'll give you a free guide to shortcut the process even more. Why your age is a secret weapon in 2025. Let's start with something most digital marketing channels won't tell you. They're either trying to be for everyone, or they're focused on quick tips and trendy tools. And here's where that leaves you, feeling like you don't belong in this space. The truth is, being over 40 is not a weakness here. It's your greatest asset. Think about what you've done in your career so far. Managed projects under pressure, communicated with clients, teams, or stakeholders, stuck to budgets and made decisions when the stakes were high. These are not extra skills, they're the foundation of marketing. Because marketing is not just about pushing buttons in an ad manager. It's about understanding people, solving problems, and delivering results. Yes, a younger marketer might be quick with TikTok trends, but you understand customers in the real world. You've seen the difference between what people say they want and what they actually buy. And if you've worked in a specific industry, sales, healthcare, finance, manufacturing, you already know the customers, the pain points, and the language of that market. That kind of insider understanding is something no 6-week bootcamp can teach. So let's reframe this right now. You are not starting from scratch. You are starting with decades of applied business and life experience. And when you add digital skills on top, you become exactly the kind of marketer businesses are desperate for in 2025. The 5 core pillars of digital marketing. Before you can run in this space, you need a clear map. And digital marketing, at its core, comes down to 5 pillars. 1. Search engine optimization, SEO. This is how you help people find your website when they're searching on Google. It's part detective work, part strategy, figuring out what your audience is looking for and making sure you're the most relevant result. 2. Content marketing. If SEO brings people to you, content keeps them there. Blog posts, videos, podcasts, social posts, anything that informs, entertains, or inspires your audience. Great content builds trust and credibility. 3. Social media marketing. It's not just posting pretty pictures, it's about building a real community. Whether it's LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook, or even TikTok, it's about showing up, engaging, and sometimes running ads to grow faster. 4. Email marketing. Still one of the highest ROI channels. It's direct. It's personal. It's not subject to algorithms. When you build an email list, you own that relationship. 5. Paid advertising, PPC. PPC stands for pay-per-click. It's where you put money behind your message to get in front of exactly the right audience. Fast. Here's the good news. You don't need to master all 5 right now. But you do need to understand how they connect. That knowledge is the foundation of this entire blueprint, your 3-month free learning roadmap. So how do you go from curious beginner to someone who actually knows what they're doing without racking up debt or going back to school for years? You start with this 90-day foundation plan. Month 1. Build your base. Start with Google's Fundamentals of Digital Marketing course. It's free, it's solid, and you get a certificate that you can add to your LinkedIn profile. Month 2. Pick a pillar. Choose the one that excites you most. For SEO, SEMrush Academy. For content, social, or email, HubSpot Academy. Month 3. Learn the tools. Get your Google Analytics certification, non-negotiable. If you're leaning toward ads, take the Google Ads certification. If social is your lane, Meta Blueprint's free courses are excellent. By the end of 90 days, you'll have a solid understanding, respected certifications, and a direction you actually enjoy. Now, I've just given you the 90-day roadmap, but I also know how overwhelming it can feel when you're piecing it all together on your own. That's why I put together something free for you. It's called the Digital Marketing Starter Guide for Professionals 40+. It's short, it's practical, and it walks you through the mindset shifts, the core concepts, and the confidence-building steps you need to take right now, without drowning in tech jargon. You can grab it using the link in the description. It's completely free, and it will give you a head start before you even finish this video. How to get real experience without waiting for a job. Here's where most people get stuck. You've got some skills, you've got some certificates, but no one will hire you without experience. And you can't get experience without being hired. So let's skip the gatekeepers. Start a personal project. Pick a topic you actually care about. Gardening, classic cars, personal finance, anything. Start a blog, a YouTube channel, or an Instagram account. Apply what you've learned. Track your results. Volunteer for a non-profit. Countless charities need help but have zero budget. Offer to run their social media or help with their website. Help a local business. That coffee shop down the street. Offer to set up their Google business profile or run a small ad campaign. Now you have real case studies you can talk about in interviews or client pitches. Packaging yourself for opportunities. Once you have skills and small wins, it's time to reintroduce yourself to the professional world. Your resume. Reframe your old roles into marketing language. Add a digital marketing skills section right at the top. Your LinkedIn profile headline. Digital marketer, specializing in your pillar, Google certified, not seeking opportunities. Summary. Tell your pivot story. Share your excitement for this new chapter. Start posting. Share what you're learning. Talk about your wins, even the small ones. It shows you're active, engaged, and committed. The digital marketing world in 2025 and beyond is not reserved for the young. It's wide open for people who combine real-world experience with modern skills. You've just seen the blueprint. Reframe your age as an advantage. Learn the 5 pillars. Follow the 90-day roadmap. Create your own experience. Package yourself professionally. If you're ready to go from learning to actually doing, that's exactly why I built my course, Digital Marketing Breakthrough 40+. It takes you step by step through each stage with clear lessons, real-world examples, and zero fluff, so you can skip the trial and error and start building results faster. The link is in the description, along with your free starter guide. Grab the free guide now, check out the course details, and take your next step today. You've got this. Your next chapter starts now.